I've been thinking of getting the Apple AirPods Max for a while now, and I've been back and forth at the Apple store for a really long time, and after a lengthy deliberation with myself, I decided to finally get one. Here in Australia, these cost about $900, and it's definitely one of the pricier noise cancelling headphones in the market. The headphones itself comes in a really sturdy box wrapped in plastic, and I'm just running my hands over the box and it's really smooth and sleek as with any Apple products. At first glance, the headphones is wrapped in this baking paper looking material just to protect the case from any scratches. The case also feels really nice. It's like this soft velvety leatherish material, but it's definitely not protective considering these headphones cost $900. Upon first glance, the AirPods Max does look really sleek with this aluminium body, and the earcups mesh looks really nice and soft, and it seems that it's going to be really comfortable over the ears. Good thing is the earcups can be removed either to air them out or to replace it with a replacement. However, they do get very stinky after a while. My sister has them, and after a few months of using it at the gym, it stinks a lot. The rest of the box comes with a charger and instruction manuals, and I think it comes with Apple stickers that no one really uses anymore. To adjust the length, you just pull on these telescopic arms. I think it's what they call it on the website. It's pretty sturdy. To move it, you just have to give it a really good tug. So just open the new AirPods Max. As you can see, it's very sleek, and it does have a bit of weight on it, which makes it feel really good quality and sturdy. I'm just going to adjust the length to fit my big head, and that's very easy to do, and it's got left and right written on the cups. I have tried these on multiple times at the Apple store, so I do know what it looks like on me. To be honest, these are probably the best looking over the ear headphones I've ever worn. It's very sleek, slim and really stylish. I just think it suits my face shape a lot because it's not too bulky like some of the other headphones I've worn before, which can end up looking like earmuffs. But at the end of the day, looks aside, the quality of the audio is the most important for these headphones. It has really good active noise cancellation. It can block out most of the background noise, making it ideal for travel or working in noisy environments. I vacuumed my entire house while wearing these headphones and I hardly heard a thing. It also has excellent sound quality, but I find that sound quality is really subjective. It depends on person to person, but with these headphones I get that immersive feeling like I'm in a concert of that music that I'm listening to. After wearing it for a few hours, I must say, and I'll be honest, it wasn't the most comfortable thing. I didn't know whether it was just something that I needed to get used to, but I found that it was sort of like clamping my head and it gave me a really massive headache after a while. Overall, the Apple AirPods Max offers great sound quality and great noise cancellation, but for the price of $900 here in Australia and the fact that it can get pretty uncomfortable after a while, I really don't think it's worth it. I think there are other noise cancelling headphones in the market that are way better priced and way better valued.